everyone, welcome back to my channel. I always yawn. I'm so sorry. It's literally like the word channel or something is a trigger word, but I promise you it's not. Today is Monday, it's a brand new week, and yeah, I thought I'd do a little day in the life kind of vlog today. Nothing really going on, but I need to try and get some order into my life and into the flat and things like that, and I need to start thinking about routines. I do need to charge my phone in a minute because I've been editing videos all morning and I've got like 20% battery, which is a great start for vlogging. But I've just been having a bit of a lazy one. It is nearly 10 o'clock now. I didn't feel too great this morning. We got back quite late last night from a weekend away in Bournemouth for the Bournemouth Air Show, which, as a side note, I'm really sad that the chances are it's not going to be on again because I love Bournemouth Air Show. I think it's one of the most relaxing but fun events in my event calendar, if you like. So I'm really sad that that potentially is not on anymore, but I'm just going to keep my fingers and toes crossed that it comes back, so we shall see. But yeah, we were down there from Thursday to Sunday. I didn't end up vlogging anything. I thought I'm just gonna go there and relax and yeah, just enjoy my time there, which I think I did the last time, or like pretty much did the last time. I think I filmed a couple bits, but I didn't. Bear with me 1 minute. And I'm back. I just had some Indian person call me speaking full Indian, but I don't know quite what that was about. But yeah, so it was just really nice to enjoy the atmosphere, soak up the sunshine, but I am wondering if I overdid it a little bit because yeah, I'm not feeling my best this morning, so I think maybe the sun got to me a little bit, maybe a bit dehydrated. So I've just been laid in bed with pretty much a full pint of milk to drink, so that's all gone now. Yeah, I need to charge my phone. I think what I'm going to do is maybe do a little workout. I haven't done a workout here since we moved in. The floor is very squeaky, so I'm going to try. It's only a pregnancy workout. It's a Lucy Wyman Reed's one. So I thought I might do that just to get some blood pumping a little bit. I have had an issue with my ankles and feet being really swollen from the weekend, so again I think I overdid it. I think I was on my feet too long because the walk from the hotel to the seafront was quite lengthy, but I do want to keep moving because obviously I'm in the flat most of the day, if not all of the day, and other than like walking backwards and forwards in here doing stuff, I don't really move much anymore, which yeah, it's probably a blessing in disguise in a way, because I don't want to overdo it, and I do think I did quite a lot of walking and quite a lot of standing over the weekend. So yeah, I think that's my first port of call. Then I'll probably have a cup of tea and something to eat, and then check in with you for the rest of the day. Right, well that's me all showered. I'm out of puff and I've literally just walked up one step. I now need to round up all the washing because we, as I said earlier, we were at Bournemouth, so we had 4 days there, and obviously, oh, that's a flat angle, isn't it? Being at the beach, it being hot as well, obviously I've got a lot of washing, so I thought if I maybe pop that on, just find everything that I can, pop that on, and yeah, go from there. So I've rounded it all up now, and just need to load it all in. Well, the washing is on. I folded up the washing that dried over the weekend, and I've just done myself some sausages and beans. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, probably watch a bit of YouTube. I'm so far behind in my watch later box right now. There is literally 150 videos, so I need to get watching. But yes, I'm probably going to do that for a little bit and then crack on and do some more cleaning and sorting afterwards.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Well, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to sit down and just try and sort through some of my photos that I took over the weekend, because yeah, I took quite a few, and I've got another air show, the last of the season, coming up in a couple of weeks' time, so I kind of want to get a bit on top of it whilst I can, because obviously in the coming months time is going to be at a premium, and I also need to write some blog posts, tie up some loose ends to do with that, various things as well. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time on my laptop and yeah, go from there. Well, that was a very short and odd vlog, I know. I ended up not feeling too great, so I did clean the bathroom, but I didn't film it because my phone died, and yeah, I'm just so out of touch with like vlogging a full day, where I've been vlogging sort of days out and put the clips together. It's just so hard getting back into vlogging, and I've just sat down to edit it, and I've been thinking to myself, sorry, there's a tractor. There's two tractors, okay. That's what comes with living in the country. But yeah, I was umming and ahhing whether to actually upload this video, but I do want to, because it's the first vlog that I filmed, partially filmed, in the new flat, so I am gonna obviously keep it and upload it and everything, as you will have seen. I have also filmed another vlog already, which you will recognise this top from, or dress from even, and that will be up very soon, But yeah, I definitely need to get back into it. But I did also want to jump on and just say, if there's any types of videos that you want me to film, whether it's pregnancy related, flat related, or anything else, then please let me know in the comments. Because yeah, I need to get back into it. I'm struggling with motivation at the minute, but I'm kind of missing it at the same time. I know that sounds really weird. So yeah, let me know. But all that's left to say is thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye bye.